We're going to show you how to flush the brakes today, why you should flush your brakes, show you the tools and parts you'll need in order to complete this task. Let's get started. So first we're going to start with why you should flush your brakes and how often you should be flushing your brakes. You should be flushing your brakes at least every 2 to 3 years at a minimum. Brake fluid in your braking system, in your brake master cylinder and reservoir, it absorbs water over time, and water, obviously, as we know, does not react with metal in a kind way. Flushing the brake fluid out of your brake system is going to help prolong the life of all the pistons, calipers, all the seals, the brake lines, the reservoir, and the brake master cylinder and ABS unit itself, which are all fairly expensive items if you have to replace those. So we want to get all that old fluid out. It's going to take, the water that it's absorbed over time with it, get nice, fresh, clean fluid in there. That's going to help keep a consistent pedal feel and help prevent any future brake-related failures. Brake fluid also is what absorbs a lot of the heat in a braking system when you're pushing the brakes or when you need to use the brakes in an aggressive manner. Some of the temperatures that your brakes can get up to is several hundred degrees, which is enough to make water boil. If you have enough water in your braking system, your brake fluid is going to be compromised and it's actually going to begin to boil. And that is not ideal for if you have to panic stop. So now let's show you what you're going to need in order to complete this job. So to flush your brakes, you're going to need to get all 4 wheels off the ground so you can remove all 4 tires to access the brake calipers behind each of the wheels.